welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss BMW extended warranty, which is about 450 quid with no excess, or down to 397 quid with £100 excess. They've refused to let me have any because I made slight modifications to the bike which doesn't affect the brain or anything, but they're refusing unless I do certain things, and I ain't going to do that, so they can stick it. I'll just save the money. If anything goes wrong with it, then we'll have to get it sorted. But it shouldn't after 3 years old. But you can tell me if you've had any issues with yours. Right, we'll go out on it and I'll show you what the problem is. Right, surprise, surprise, it's raining. None of this was forecast again, but as you can see, we're on the River Severn in a little village, which is home to a famous rock front man. I'm going to say who, you probably know anyway. And I was going to tell you the issue with the warranty on the bikes. I'll just pop these open again on my ears. Bear with me so I can hear. Right, I'll just give you a bit of a view. Nice weather for ducks. Right, the issue is these Outtakes indicators. I hope you can hear me. Yeah, the Outtakes indicators are the issue. BMW is saying, because I've changed these indicators from the standard ones, the standard ones, obviously, the front ones are on all the time. I had a few people pull out on me. Obviously, they've glanced up from a T-junction, seen the indicator on, and they've pulled out. It's happened about 3 or 4 times. So, okay, I changed them. I think they're far safer now. And the back indicators, on the standard ones, when you brake, you lose the orange indication. People couldn't see them, so some people were getting arse-ended. I never got arse-ended, but I'm sure people did. Well, I heard people did. It could be a load of BS, I do not know. But anyway, I changed them. I have done a video before on what they like, so I'll show you. Okay. I'll just fire the bike up because they're not coming on, hang on. Okay. So that's what my indicators are like. They're like that now. Obviously, normally, when you indicate, you lose the indication in the lights, especially when you're braking. But on mine, they cancel the redness out. I'll show you. So you can see it clearly. see the indication. Likewise at the front, the show white, but when you indicate it turns off the spotlight and you can see clearly that I'm indicating. Let's just cancel that. Back to white, spotlight comes back on. If they can't see me now, then they've got issues, but normally these are on permanent indicator, on permanent orange. It's no good, it's dangerous. I'll put the hazards on. So BM have said they're not going to give me a 3-year warranty, the extended warranty, unless I take them off, put the standard ones back on, or go into BMW, have them remove them and have them put them straight back on and get a letter or get something on the system, and then they'll give me the warranty. It's ridiculous. I might be wrong. Obviously feel free to comment in the video. I'm more than happy to listen to any comments, any ideas, but I'm leaving them on. I ain't going to take them off. I'd rather be seen and safer than what the bog standard ones come with. I know on the Hex 911 now you can turn the fronts off so they act like a normal indicator. So they only indicate when you actually indicate. They're not on all the time. But the backs, they still can't do anything with the backs. I think from the Hex 911 update. I think it's coming, but at the minute they're still the same. So when you're indicating and you're braking, you lose the indication, especially at night. People don't know if you're turning or not. Anyway, that's it really. Okay, I was saying, you probably couldn't hear me because of the bike engine, but the back indicators on the standard one, you still cannot change that on the Hex update. They still stay on red with the indicator in the middle, and especially when you brake at night, you lose the indication altogether. The brakes outshine the indication. It's dangerous in my opinion, and the front lights, the ones which are on all the time, which they were on this 2021, you can now with the Hex, you can turn them off so they just blink normally like a normal indicator, so that can be changed, but the back you still can't. And when I'm saying 3-year warranty, I mean a 12-month warranty. It's a 12-month extended warranty for BMW because it's 3 years old and they want 450 quid if you have no excess, 425 I think if you have 30 quid excess, and I think if you have £100 excess you can get it for 397. That's for 12 months. That's a lot of money. I know these bikes cost a lot to repair, but it's 3 years old, and if it goes wrong there's a big problem. There's a big problem. So I'd rather just, rightly or wrongly, fix it if it needs fixing. The other concerning thing is, I know people who've had these visor lights put on and the bike's still 12 months old. They've still got 2 years left on the warranty. Some have got 12 months left on the warranty. So I think this is going to void the BMW warranty, the 3-year warranty from new. I think if you have these on, there's a chance BMW, if anything goes wrong with the electrical system, ain't going to pay out. So I suppose you take your chances, but you could do, if you've all had them done, you need to speak to your local dealers, I would say, local retailer, and ask them, or ring BMW, because that is a big concern. This had a few recalls on it. They never mentioned anything to me when I took mine in because I'd already got them on, but it was nothing to do with the electrical system. It was to do with the flapper valve and stuff like that. But you might be risking your warranty altogether if you have these lights put on whilst you're still under 3 years old. It's just something to consider and something to think about. but it is what it is. BMW, the customer service I think is crap anyway. They always try and rip you off when you've got to have servicing or anything done. The prices are ridiculous. Hang on, cheeky little buggers coming over here, hang on. I was going back now, look. They're obviously camera shy. What do you think of the weather so far, mate? Yeah, crap. I know it is. Yeah, he thinks it's crap as well. At least it's stopped raining. Okay, right. This has been the Black Country Biker. Thanks for watching. Please comment. If you like the video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a like, maybe subscribe. I'm up to 229 subscribers. I'm really happy. I can't believe it, to be honest. But it's always good to get a few more. But thanks for watching. I'll get you on the next one.
Hi up. Hey up, little mate. Where have you come from? Oh, that's a bit worrying. Someone over there with a car. Hopefully he's just got out of there.